Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing of shoes that I've got in the Marshalls, and they were on sale for $39. So let's get started. So here is the box. They are from Adidas and they are called Disruptor Runner. I got them a little big in size 9, and it says they are men's shoes, but I really liked the color. That's why I got them, because they also had the women version, which was in the beige color and it was looking ugly actually. So I saw also those ones at the men's section, and they were much more pretty, and I think they are more girly, and that's why I've got them. So here is the box and they are here. Let's see how they look like. So here they are, Adidas, and I also got this pink one on it, but what can you do? And I've got them in size 9. They might be a little bit big, but it was the smallest size available for men, and I am in women's size 9 or 9.5, and it says it's US 9, so it will be a little bit bigger but not much bigger. And here is how they look like. So yeah, it's the last season and they remind me of NMD shoes, Adidas NMD, as they have the same kind of design here. Here the sole looks like this. It has like weird structures here, and this part is funny looking, but when you bend them you think that they are not flexible, but I tried them on in store and they were quite flexible. And the size here, how it says in Marshalls, it's from past season. Original price was $80. Here we have Adidas logo, and here we have some Adidas logo engraved, and the nice here the nice thingies to tie them up. Side they looks like this. They have nice inserts, as it's looking like so, and it has some kind of cushioning. So yeah, I really like them. Another one here. Everyone looks the same as usual. And here is the tag. If you want to buy them somewhere, I saw them also on Amazon. Very cute, and I really like this color, as you can see, it's more for girls than for men. And let's see what the color name is. The color name is Turbo. It says Turbo and black. And this is how it looks on me. Maybe a little bit big, but not much, and I put socks, then it will be even more. So yeah, that's how they look like. Very nice. I love this color for sneakers. It's my favorite. This part maybe stick out, but not much. But so yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like unboxings then and videos like this, give thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Bye.